In this video, we are spotlighting a beautiful 55-plus community in the rolling hills of Clermont, Florida. Ladies and gentlemen, Heritage Hills. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a snowbird or retiree looking for a lock-and-leave Florida lifestyle with resort-style amenities and beautiful surroundings, today we are spotlighting one of Clermont's most desirable 55-plus communities, Heritage Hills. Heritage Hills is a gated, active adult community nestled in the rolling hills of Clermont, Florida. What really sets this neighborhood apart is its Italian-inspired design. From the architecture to the streetscape. The community was developed with a taste of Italy in mind, giving it a warm, elegant, old-world feel that's both charming and timeless. The homes are designed for easy single-story living and include both villas and single-family residences. You'll typically see price ranges from the mid-300s to the low 500s depending on size, location, and upgrades. HOA fees generally run around $400 to $450 per month, and they cover lawn care, exterior maintenance on villas, gated entry, and full access to the amenities. For snowbirds and retirees, that means true low-maintenance living. Lock the door, travel, and enjoy peace of mind. The heart of Heritage Hills is the stunning Clubhouse, which features a world-class golf simulator room, a state-of-the-art fitness center, and space for social gatherings and events. Outside, residents enjoy a heated resort-style pool and spa, tennis and pickleball courts, shuffleboard, and bocce ball. One of the most loved features here is the miles of walking and biking trails that loop around the entire community. Perfect for morning strolls, bike rides, or simply enjoying Clermont's scenic hills and fresh air. There's also a full calendar of clubs and activities and events designed to keep residents active, social, and connected. Heritage Hills is conveniently located near shopping, dining, medical facilities, and just a short drive to Disney, major highways, and the Orlando International Airport, making it ideal for part-time residents and full-time retirees alike. If you're looking for an elegant, active 55-plus community with European charm and resort-style living, Heritage Hills in Clermont should absolutely be on your list. If you'd like more details or want to schedule a private tour, feel free to reach out. I'd love to help. See you in the next neighborhood.